QR codes, abbreviated as from quick response code, is the trademark for a type of matrix barcode or two-dimensional barcode first designed in 1994 for the automotive industry in Japan. A barcode is a machine-readable optical label that contains information about the items to which it is attached. In practice, QR codes often contain data for a locator, identifier, or tracker that points to a website or an application. A QR code uses four standardized encoding modes: numeric, alphanumeric, byte, binary, or a new one which was invented in Japan known as kanji. To store data efficiently, extensions may also be used sometimes as localization. The quick response QR system became popular outside the automotive industry due to its fast readability and greater storage capacity compared to standard universal unique barcodes. Applications include product tracking, item identification, as in regular barcode, or time tracking, document management, and general marketing. A QR code consists of black squares arranged in a square grid on a white background, which can be read by an imaging device such as camera and processed until the image can be appropriately interpreted. The required data is then extracted from the patterns that are present in both horizontal and vertical components of the image. So, a QR code is a type of barcode. This is made up of a matrix of filled in dark squares on the lighter background. QR codes can hold over 7,000 digits, whereas a normal barcode can hold up to 30 digits only. Because of modern cell phones which allow internet access on the move, QR codes can be scanned anywhere. This allows advertisement of products on trains, buses, shopping malls, and everywhere. These codes may contain a website link or some form of advertising with them. So QR codes need to be remembered from exams point of view and their definitions and use. That's it. No, nothing more than this is required. So thank you very much.